Hello everybody. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Apple Series 3 watch. This is going to be my first time owning an Apple Watch, so there won't be a review right away, but that'll be forthcoming. All we're going to do is just see what's inside the box. So, go down here. There she is. There's the Apple Watch Series 3. And it's the cellular edition, so if you lose your phone, you still got every other function you possibly need. Here we go. So let me see. I'm not good at opening these things. What's this? This looks like something there. Oh, hey, that's easy. Whoops, sorry. Bad camera job. So there we go. Let's see if, no, I was going to drop it and see how sturdy it is, but I won't do that, so I'm just going to put it down. Put it down. There we go. Keep unfolding. That's easy. Take out the plastic out of the box. Oops. Sorry for the motion sickness, but I'm trying to do two things at once. Okay, so then we're going to open this up. Hold on, so how do I do this? Here we go, 1 second. I know. I should be on my iMac right now. So here we go. There she is. About to open her up. She's opening up. What does it look like? Oh, look at that. That's the Milanese one. So look at that. Isn't she a beauty? And this is a 42mm as well. She's pretty sweet. Pretty nice looking. So we'll open this up, and we got nothing so far. Let's do this again. And you got your wire. Is it wireless? That looks wireless. Oh, there's the plug-in. So and here's the thing: when you buy a new device, always charge the battery immediately. Don't use it without charging the battery, because you'll screw up its life cycle. So, there's the beautiful watch. Oh yeah, right here we got some kind of cable. Maybe it's a charging cable if you want to hook it up to the iMac. But it looks wireless. Something tells me this is wireless. So, what is that? Is that a wireless charging? We'll see. Okay, so I think that's everything. I think, is there anything left in there? No, it doesn't come with much. And let me see if that plugs into that outlet, so that's easy. Alright then, I think this is the end of it. 3 minutes, oh my god, I don't think anybody's watching this. Okay, so, there she is. Let's show you one final time. There's it. Don't want to show my hands. I'm sure it looks better on my wrist. Yeah, a different angle of it maybe. There, let's see, we got a different angle. And there she is. The Apple Watch Series 3 Cellular Milanese Loop. This will run you Canadian over $1,000.